Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our online class. So in this class we will discuss Jacobian method. Okay. So basically, it's a very simple topic and we have a formula of Jacobian. See, what is the definition? If u is a function in terms of x comma y and v is also a function in terms of x comma y, then these two simultaneous relations constitute a transformation from x comma y to u comma v. Constitute a transformation from x comma y to u comma v. Then the determinant of u comma v with respect to x y, then the determinant is called Jacobian. So what is the formula? Jacobian J is equal to mod dou u by dou x, mod dou u by dou y, mod dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y. Correct? You have to find the partial derivatives of u, v with respect to x and y. Then you have to substitute here. Then find the determinant. You will get the value of Jacobian. Okay. Then this is for two variables. If we take for three variables, u is a function u of x comma y comma z, and v is a function v of x comma y comma z, and w is a function w of x comma y comma z, then Jacobian is what? This is the determinant, correct ma? Then what will be the j dash ma? So j dash, what will take? J dash is equal to 1 by j, correct? J dash is equal to, we take 1 by j, reciprocal of j, we take it as j dash, right? So we'll see this is the formula, simple topic it is, very important topic. This is the formula and he will give you problems on Jacobian to solve, correct ma? Solve. We'll see the problems, how to solve. First problem, if u is equal to x square minus 2y and v is equal to x plus y plus z and w is equal to x minus 2y plus 3z. Then he is asking find Jacobian, find dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z. Okay, with all problems will come under partial derivatives only, right? So what do we know here? First of all, we write given. So write whatever the given, you write neatly in the exam. So given u is equal to, okay, I'll write it here. Given u is equal to x square minus 2y, v is equal to x plus y plus z, and w he gave x minus 2y plus 3z. Okay? Now what we have to find? We have to find Jacobian of u comma v comma w with respect to x comma y comma z. So therefore, what is the formula? Jacobian. He is not asking Jacobian, but whenever the formula is indicated for Jacobian, so you can write Jacobian of Jacobian J is equal to dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z is equal to mod. Correct? So what is the formula? Mod dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. Correct? So what I get here? So this implies j is equal dou u by dou x. What we have to do? You have to differentiate u with respect to x and y partially. You have to differentiate u with respect to x, y, z partially. So this is the u here. If I differentiate u with respect to x, what I get here? X square differentiation is what? 2x. X square differentiation is what? 2x. No x here, 0. Correct? Then differentiate with respect to y ma. No y here, 0. Y is 1. I get minus 2. Right? Then with respect to z, no z here. So I get 0. Okay? Next, with respect to y. With respect to y, v with respect to x. V with respect to x, x is 1. Then 0, 0. With respect to y, y is 1. With respect to z, z is 1. Next, w with respect to x, y, z. So with respect to x, w 1. With respect to y, minus 2. With respect to z is what? 3. That's it. So now you have to find the determinant of this. How to find determinant? 2x into this row, this column we have to leave. So 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2. Next minus 2 into this row, this column we have to leave. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 ones are 1, right? Plus 0 into anything is 0. So no need to write 3 plus 2, 5, 10x, 2 minus into minus plus 2, 2 is a 4. That's it. Very simple it is. So therefore, what is the answer here? Jacobian of u of v comma w is what? 10x plus 4. Like that, you have to solve this problem. Understand here? Very simple problem. Whenever he gave Jacobian, you have to check whether it is a two variables problem or three variables problem. If it is a two variables problems, we have only this much formula. If it is three variable problem, we have to 3 by 3 determinant. Okay, so understand here, very simple problem. We'll see the next problem. Next problem. If u is equal to x plus 3y square minus z cube and v is 4x square yz, w is equal to 2z square minus xy. Then we have to find dou of u comma v comma w of by dou of x comma y comma z at 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. He gave the point here. Okay, so let us see how to solve. First, given what he gave here, x plus 3y square minus z cube. This is the u value. What is v he gave ma? 4x square yz. What is w he gave here? 2z square minus xy. Okay. Now this is the formula of Jacobian j, and this is the formula. Now substitute here. I mean solve here. Dou u by dou x. U is this part. With respect to x, we have to differentiate. X is 1. Correct? No x here 0. No x here 0. With respect to y ma. With respect to y, u with respect to y, not here, sorry, here. With respect to y, so no y here, 0. Y square is what? 2y. So 2 3s are 6y. Next, with respect to z, no z here, 0. No z here, 0. Z cube is what? 3z square. So minus 3z square. Next, v with respect to x. X square is 2x. So what I get here? 8xyz. V with respect to y. Y is 1. I get 4x square z. V with respect to z. Z is 1. I get 4x square y. Next, w with respect to x ma. X is 1. I get minus y. With respect to y. Y is 1. I get minus x. Z with respect to z. Z square is 2z. 2 into 2 is how much? 4z. That's it. So we calculated the determinant of, and we differentiated. We calculated all values of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, and all we have. Now what we have to find? We have to find determinant. So this is, and the determinant we have to find, and at where he is asking, at 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 he is asking, right? Now see here, if I find the determinant, what I get here? So this is equal to 1 into this row, this column we have to leave ma, this into this. 4 4s are 16x square z square minus of minus plus I get here 4x cube y, okay, minus 6y into this row, this column we have to leave. 8 4s are 32xy z square minus of minus plus 4x square y square minus 3z square into this row, this column, minus 8x square yz minus of minus plus 4x square yz. So very lengthy it is coming. Okay, now where we have to find Jacobian at, where we have to find ma? At the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. At the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y, this is the value of z. So at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 0, j is equal, what I get here? See, at 1 comma minus 1 comma 0, j is equal to, if I substitute x is 1, z is 0. So here z is 0, this part is become 0. Okay, then x is 1, y is minus 1. So 1 cube is 1, minus 4 I get. Next, minus 6, y is minus 1. So z is 0, this whole part is 0 ma, plus x square, 1 square, 1 square, 4, okay, minus 3 into 0 into anything is 0. So what I get here, minus 4, minus into minus plus, 6 4s are 24, then 3 into 0 into anything is 0 only. So I get here minus 4 plus 24 is how much more? 20. So like this, you have to differentiate u, v, w with respect to x, y, z, and you have to substitute here. You have to find the determinant. You will get the answer. Very simple topic it is. Jacobian is a very simple problem. Okay. See the next problem. Next, if u is equal to yz by x, v is equal to zx by y, w is equal to xy by z, then show that dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z is equal. How much ma he's asking? He's asking 4. How much he's asking here? 4 he's asking. Okay. Okay. Now, see the given ma what he gave here. Given u is equal to yz by x and v is equal to zx by y, w is equal to xy by z. So very important problem. Ma. This time this problem will be expected. Now Jacobian j is equal to dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z. So what will be the formula? Mod determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x. This is a formula, right? Now substitute here. So this is equal to what I get here, mod mod determinant dou u by dou x. You have to differentiate u with respect to x. X is in the denominator here. Yz is a constant. X is in the denominator. 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x square. So what I get here? Minus yz by x square I get. Minus yz by x square I get. Correct. Next, u with respect to y. Y is in the numerator. Y kya hota? Y is 1. So I get here z by x. Then u is with respect to z. Z is also in the numerator. So differentiation of z kya hai? 1. So I get here y by x. Okay. Next, v with respect to x. X is in the numerator in v. X is 1. I get z by y. Then v in the denominator here. V is the denominator. So 1 by y you have to, sorry, y is in the denominator. 1 by y you have to take. V with respect to y. 1 by y differentiation is what? Minus 1 by y square. I get here minus zx by y square. Next, v with respect to z ma. Z is in the numerator. Z ho gaya 1. So 1 into x, x by y. Clear? So next, w with respect to x. X is 1. I get y by z. Then w with respect to y. Y is 1. I get x by z. So w with respect to z. Z is in the denominator. I get minus xy by z square. So this is the determinant of partial derivatives of u, v, w with respect to x, y and z. Now what you have to do? You have to find the determinant. If I find the determinant here, so what I get here? Minus yz by x square. Minus yz by x square. This row, this column we have to leave. This into this, correct? Minus it is plus. What I get here? X square yz by y square z square. X square yz by y square z square I get minus minus this into this, right? X square by y by z I get, correct? Next, minus this one z by x into this row, this column we have to leave. So this into this, what I get here? Minus xyz by yz square minus this into this what I get here? Xy by xy by yz. Then plus y by x into plus y by x into, so this row, this column we have to leave. This into this, what I get here? Xz by yz, minus of minus plus. This is how much ma? Xyz by xyz by y square z. Xyz by y square z I get. Okay. So now now what we have to do? We have to simplify. So see here, any cancellations are available. If it is any cancellation, just cancel it ma. See here, 1yz get cancelled. Okay. Then x square by yz is left. X square by yz is left. So both term will get cancelled. It becomes 0. Right. Next here, 1y get cancelled. 1z get cancelled. 1y got cancelled. 1z get cancelled. Z cancel, y and y got cancelled. So what is left here? So this part is 0 minus z by x into minus x by z minus x by z plus y by x into x by y plus x by y is left ma. So therefore this is equal minus z by x minus x by z is how much? Minus 2x by z plus y by x into x by y plus y x by y, x by y plus x by y, 2x by y, correct? Now this x and x got cancelled, z and z got cancelled, x and x got cancelled, y and y got cancelled, minus into minus plus, 2 plus 2 is how much more? 4 we got. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4 we got. Very, very important problem. So this problem is expected this time. So u is equal to yz by x, v is equal to u is equal to yz by x, and v is equal to zx by y, and w is equal to xy by z, and he gave here and is asking Jacobian of u comma v comma w is what? How much we have to prove? 4 we have to find, correct? So what is the formula? This is the formula. So for three variables, so differentiation is very important when we are doing with respect to x. X is in the denominator, minus 1 by x square. With respect to y, y is numerator, y is 1. With respect to z, z is numerator, z is 1. So similarly for v and similarly for w. Okay, so you have to substitute and determine, you have to find the determinant, you will get the answer. Okay, so these are the three problems in Jacobian. In the next class we solve more problems in the Jacobian. Thank you.